Good morning.
Now, put me a day. I don't know now. Swear. Afisha Panzo.
I think come here.
Ami. I feel the casa for the first time. I feel. Now, Canada compare Agyapong. They say, after the primaries. Oh, sir, all around. Okay.
Yeah, but they know as airport
Oh, okay.
Nama, oh, you boy. So say, Sabino, no, so deep president and party for say, never sorry. I don't just say to cut them.
Oh, okay. Wow. He's back to business. Oh.
Yes.
Wow. Yenya emfonyini bi nei ensem bi ene nam monten so se Kennedy ase lusu to Dr. Baumia ne bon no so nti ote ne ho se de ala ne ye yes movement patriotic party bi no krebe ne wowem.
Oh, na really. Oh, subject to process. Na said you atam no.
Nhyira fan.
Ko ya ma wa. I didn't think so control. In the spirit of sportsmanship, in the spirit of good faith. What do you want to? Now, of course, your trauma where no to only Agyapong said or Tenemo. Maintain my power, Nibia. Maybe be support to me, be Ghana for our moon said an issue. I didn't know. Or more than the idea of Mono. Or more Eddie Datua ever trained himself. Some people for them said that almost already. I have accepted that, yeah. Your stop for because we are member of that party. It is all collected 9 years. It doesn't become a basis no matter if you are sending, or for 21,000. The sounds to see anything, you should be that. If that Obia said in racket or continue party and answer or
but there are others and now no in a press conference man TB ye no magada say they will call on Kennedy Akumpre Agyapong say nkebeya wo mo penasem pa ntinka onte ne ho no mbeta na chi ya mankunim di aba ma no enye push for say obetumi afa that direction.
Oh, those calls will come, but at the end of the day, when I said you know, that would jam na go see decision so yeah the ever. One more make it that course. Or to a presidential election, only about $100 million. Oko come this kind of banner. We know Oko first scan the other day. Abba.
Nhyira fan.
No money go ha. Make us say, acquire say, Stefani Kuna de Habai. And Pentecost Cassandra Banyansa from. And a party for any Ghana for Moon say, or more OGD or Ken Vision, and no more the Rose Corsoba.
Yeah.
But stability for behind the two. You also have to look at the interest of the party. All party was some fitting between the Senate. The after that, or couldn't be able to say, yeah, open election, I need or prepare for him.
Sanse na di ama ya adwimu ye na kakra ne se ye hwe Alan die ya na ba no se ya o enye nokre enye si na manfo kole o te ho ye bedi wachi se ya anti push ne ba na no wadin ya ye hwe na Alan echi wa be na so se afidie wa ye yinti na manfo bebre na wadwimu se ne ye ya se course no ano eye den no de bia sa na be baba emphatically wo se emma so sa. Okay, right now, NPP reorganization. Person mo kanipa boom any ade members no utie during primaries na tem didi we trouble we yes any ade supporters ni bi di boy ni ade nyina mo camp no reorganization no how are you planning say mo be ma mo achitafo ni nyina etumi joining the single course of the NPP?
On the other side, the party is too very okay. There's leadership in the party, and at the end of the day, you're too very Kennedy division now. Casse, 89 police about
Nhyira fan.
That's a declaration. Echo board about SITMC. or send a text message saying I talk about me. And I think on the side the probably be an why and he's demonstrated good faith enough. I mean the rest has to do with party leadership. Obviously he will go to me. And now who then will be a better now party in penny was why the process. Right now there is a leader of the party. One woman who to be one who said but obviously every party member be actually will come on board. I know they are say working so yeah about so my senator said you 2 million corporate and a party for no and we need to respect the decision of the party.
Okay. But vice presidential candidate and say ni obebua na wadi Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia echi no amanfo binimo party ni mu a enano na mene opegyini baako etwetwe nkomo and he was actually saying say if Kennedy ekoya anka enye bad kra at least ohwa ono ayobi a enko tosu mienu a grounds no owo hold kakra no mo catch net say is Kennedy considering Saudi?
I don't think that the discussions has even come forth.
Okay.
And for me, I feel it's even too early for such discussion. And maybe I do know you try banana media.
Nhyira fan.
Reconciliation in unity. And first of all, in Yam Komaba. And let me also say second, said you will be a no. And your position can no person occupy. So the sense be where not the order at tennis or whether before. No one is ready. And what the party for the Ghana for a minute. So the
Nhyira fan.
best carry it or implement it. Or president of the country. And yes, or any into no can be now or so the vice president. I mean, I don't have his permission to comment on this thing. Or better now, but at least I summon them and she and you know, yeah, maybe here we and I say I need the party for say, ain't me from our so now say when they continue. No, that is not how I can do it. He's a very decisive person.
Wow. President Nanope, ain't means a Sunday.
When I make us say that discussion Emma up.
Okay.
As of now, but the Kenna me no, but it's studying who not person. And a party for so opening the more and the is you say Nipa Ghana for panel a bit to me about there. We need to respect that decision. And to as to whether I say or be better vice and now when that one the sole prerogative of the candidates. But maybe non-table. Can you be a what's not when it's I don't know so yes na addressing an India or so when you must have me, mamma, not where you're hopping from one position to the other. And the better whether he or have an interest.
I see. Now, before the primaries, no more issues with a top bottom approach, so far. How are you considering looking at Abia Kennedy debate to me as also I could be more? They said okay, so vision is Abia next Abia no be to me as a contest be say be flag bearer. Are you actually thinking Sebobe sa approach mo the petition be na be start processes be say be ya be sa procedure?
Oh, you are too about before. I don't think it is appropriate for me to comment on it. And no my example say top down, say bottom up, you are too.
Yeah, but
actually the umbers of open. And I don't think it is appropriate for me to comment on it. Second, the Beko Pio. I mean, it's an indirect we say Dr. Bawumia. That is not what I'm expecting. What we are expecting now is that Dr. Bawumia don't give me men. But that decision rests on this. The Ghana for say NPP, yeah, why I cannot, and this is what about mobile and Queen. And John Besson was a samba. Why not? Thinking I said, come on, any energy is the project. At the end of the day, elections saw two outcomes. So, yeah, either you win or you lose. I am sure, say, you lose our discussion. When we get to do discussion, that is where we have that conversation. But to say, that you can before that may drain your local build, I don't think it is appropriate.
I mean, I'm asking this because of how na Monye so comfortable with that approach, and now we start the process maybe earlier or not.
We made our position on it clear, but party for any party leadership and move never one party. And see, Sebio, me fan say, Omajatum, democracy, the OPBA, or say your the party in for Agyapong. Those are representatives, the trouble mom, almost never one party. And indeed, the party has responded by producing a leader. And I don't think it is proper to go back to say, at the end of the day, we've gone through it. We had an option like young Kwasi election. So but I don't know, we went through it. Yes, I'm back on same image and then any method to avoid the and for so be any so.
Ebuzameni area Kwasi Kwarteng like na twetwen komo ba finally Kennedy akompre ko Agyapong Thanksgiving service no ye hu no ho den de see
oh sir no ni ha o tie na chi kakra
oh okay
sempre for aka se president go for nya no matie mu na chi
okay
moment papa president go for the 20 mama former president 20 mama
oh okay
we no papa we need Dr. Brian Champon 20 mama
but lawyer Kwasi Kwarteng, thank you very much this morning.
All
right, that's it. Lawyer Kwasi Kwarteng, customer for the Kennedy Akompre Agyapong campaign towards the presidential primaries. Now, you need to go to and come on now.